If your current truck or the one you're shopping for is a half-ton or bigger, then this Winnebago could be your next travel trailer. Hey, what's going on? I'm Dave Erickson. This is the 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2301 BHS. It may be a compact camper, but it is big on adventure. At nearly 30 feet long, 8 feet wide, this travel trailer sleeps up to 7. Features double bunk beds, slide-out dinette, this 18-foot power awning with LED lights, outdoor speakers behind this compartment right here, sink, refrigerator, 2-burner grill, and so much more. Today I'm going to give you a hands-on walk around both inside and out, but first, a big thanks and shout out to my friends and partners over at Click It RV in Spokane, Washington for allowing me to share this with you. You can find all their contact information, services, inventory, both new and used, by clicking the link below this or by going to clickitrv.com. Let's start here on the outside, then we'll work our way on the inside. Here in the front, you've got two 30-pound propane tanks protected by this cover here. Your battery will be placed back behind here. This is nifty and handy, power tongue jack. You got your stabilizer bars just underneath. You can see those there. There's also one in the back. Naturally, you have a rock guard here below, so when you do go off-road or off the beaten path, you can protect your travel trailer. And this is a fiberglass cap up top. Over here to our left, we've got a slam latch baggage door held up by magnets. Magnets up there in the black. And then here is your front storage. Of course, there's a door on that side as well. A light to illuminate from the inside. So pretty spacious, and everyone wants to have their pass-through storage, and there's lots of it here. I'm really impressed with this power awning, the LED strip. A little closer look now, just below the top. Those two black circles are your outdoor speakers. This is just a phenomenal place for your outdoor entertaining when you're out in the wilderness or wherever you plan on going. We've got a solid 3-step entrance with grab handle there. And this, one of my favorite features on the outside, let me open that for you. This too has the doors that have magnets up top to hold steady. Check it out. You've got this 2 cubic foot refrigerator here, sink, and then a pull out, look at this, 2-burner stove right there for cooking. Isn't that great? Surface area, all hidden just inside this door. Love it, love it. Big fan. Double axle. There's your stabilizer jacks here in the back. LP connector. Solid bumper. Here's your roof ladder, spare tire, and check out this door right here. This is nice. So this takes you in beneath the double bunk beds. But if you don't want to use the bunk bed, at least one of them, this can be raised, and now you can put in some larger items right here. Let's say you want to bring some bikes with you or something a little bit larger. Use this space for those items and bring this up, and boom, you're good to go. This is also wired for a backup camera, which I always think is a smart idea, even though you do have backup lights when you're backing up, but it's always good to have a backup camera. And that's where that one is, just above the Winnebago name. I'm sure much of this looks familiar to you as a RV enthusiast or travel trailer shopper. You got your park cable here on the right, along with satellite hookup, wastewater holding tank, sewage holding tank, your outdoor shower to wash off the dog, maybe your bikes and your kids. One more angle before we go inside. There's the pull out with the dinette set. Get your windows, and here's another look at the pass-through store just from the other side, just so you can see it from both angles. There you go. So here's your 3-step entrance with your grab handle on the left. And they call this a friction hinge door. Check it out. So open it. Now it doesn't allow you to slam it. So when the kids are running in or out, you don't have to worry about it slamming hard. You just place it there and it won't blow in the wind. Now check out this solid step. So that's how easy that is. Did it with one hand. So it's locked into place, and turn and pull back down, and now you're ready to go. So let's go inside, and the first thing you see on the left-hand side is your control panel, conveniently placed right there for your gas, electric, water tank, awning, power, everything right here to your left as you walk inside. Opposite of your control panel on the other side is a large pantry closet space, which is right behind your TV entertainment system. So check this out. Open it up. You've got plenty of storage in here, hooks for bags, jackets, and so on. Nice and convenient and large enough that I'm actually in here now. We'll go back out. So that closes. And now your overall living space. We'll check out the kitchen, bedroom. There's your dinette pull out. But first, let's take a look at this double bunk bed situation. Really spacious. Window there. Now over here, you have USBs. Isn't that nice? So you can stay charged up. Same thing here, USB. You got a light that once you get the battery in there, that'll light up. And this is what I showed you in the back. That's the opening. So if you want to put some larger items in here, you can put them in that space there, and that will stay upright. So there's your double bunk beds. You get a couple of kids in each bunk bed if you want. While we're here, let's check out the bathroom. Now, what I like about these toilets is that you can use your foot to flush. Here is the shower, complete with a skylight, also a little more headroom, ventilation, vanity, stainless steel sink. There we go. Here's the slide out dinette set, which doubles as a bed. So that table can pop off, and then you can use the underside here to use the table as the foundation of your bed. Storage here, blankets maybe, both sides. Cushions are Velcroed in so they don't slide around during travel. Wide open windows. And here's your refrigerator. And just on the other side, you'll find your kitchen. So again, there is no wasted space. Everything here is utilized and has a purpose. That's pretty wide open. You've got your microwave just above your stovetop, which lifts up like this. 3-burner. More drawers, obviously. Now here's your master bedroom. Full-size bed there, 60 by 80. Outlets on either side for charging. Plenty of surfaces to place things. Again, usual suspects in terms of storage. Overhead. I like this door here. This is like a privacy door. So look at this. All one hand too. Now you can separate sleeping from the living quarters and have a little bit of privacy, a little quieter. Kind of nice. One more note about this TV entertainment center. Of course, the storage above, below. It also has a wireless charging pad for your smartphones. You can lay your phone right there and it charges automatically as long as your phone is compatible. So great spot to sit in your dinette area, watch TV. Yeah, compact, big on adventure. So there you go, the 2022 Winnebago Minnie. This is the 2301 BHS. Base price right under 40 grand, as shown here with the versatility, adventure, and convenience package, about 47 grand. Hey, again, a big thanks and shout out to my friends over at Click It RV here in Spokane, Washington, for allowing me to share this product with you. To see all their contact information, services, inventory, both new and used, check out their link below this video or simply go to clickitrv.com. As I say goodbye, one last look at this bunkhouse travel trailer, both inside and out, set to music. I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.